She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a take on one of my favorite international sandwiches, I guess you could call it. Today we're going to go ahead and make a simple, easy version of a classic banh mi sandwich. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this flavorful banh mi sandwich. There might be some flavors that you may not use before, but definitely they're going to come together with everything else to make a wonderful tasting sandwich. So if you guys are ready for today's recipe, if so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is my take on a Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. This sandwich is one of my favorites. As I said, you've got that soft baguette with the crispy outside and the nice chewy bread in the inside, smeared with that Sriracha mayo that we made. Then we went ahead and topped it with that thinly sliced marinated pork. Got our veggies and that cilantro on there. It's heaven, guys. It makes for the perfect bite when you eat everything together. This is a quick and easy version of a traditional Vietnamese banh mi. There's still all the flavor that you need to make for the perfect sandwich. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had a banh mi sandwich before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.